Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to force quit on Mac. So let's start. Force quitting is very useful when, for example, an app is not responding, it froze, and you want to close it. Force quitting will help you. So in order to force quit, let me first open Firefox. I will use Firefox. So let me first open Firefox. I will use it as an example. And now we have Firefox. Let's say it froze. Let's say it's not responding. Now, in order to force quit, press on your keyboard Option Command Escape. Once you press Option Command Escape, Force Quit Applications menu will show up, and here you will see all of the apps that are currently opened. So all you need to do is click on the one that you want to force quit. So in my case, it's Firefox. Hit force quit. It will ask, are we sure you want to force quit? Because it will close the applications and it may cause any unsaved changes to be lost. So if we are sure, we hit force quit. And as you can see, Firefox was already closed. So this is how you can actually force quit applications on Mac. Let me know in the comments if you managed to do that, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.